The IDEA Online programme runs a number of workshops, especially to help you stay motivated with your research and also to give you the skills to continue and to complete your research on time and on budget. One of the workshops we find is particularly useful to our researchers is speed reading and note taking. Let's listen to Yiduo Wang now and hear why she thinks the speed reading course has helped her during her PhD.
I would recommend attending speed reading and note-taking workshop because in the first year, almost all the PhD students need to read a lot of literature and write down your literature review. I really appreciate the skills I learned from this workshop to read effectively and efficiently and take the consistent notes. I think this workshop helped me a lot in my first year PhD life.
If you've been motivated and inspired to join one of our workshops on speed reading and note taking, you can join via SkillsForge, but also keep an eye out for the tiny URLs that you can click on and join the sessions directly if you haven't had an opportunity to book.